Hello and welcome to Tablescape Tuesday. This is hosted by the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. I am doing a fall tablescape starting with this beautiful leaf table runner. I've had this for quite a few years. I'm not sure where I purchased it, but it might have been Amazon. I love the vibrant colors of red and orange. Isn't it pretty? And then next I'm going to be adding this lantern with the remote. The lantern I had purchased at the Dollar Tree, and the candle with the remote, that was Amazon. Next I'm going to be adding this yellow decanter bottle and a gold leaf on a stand. Both of these items were gifts. Next, I'm going to be adding this little white wooden pumpkin and a white distressed squirrel holding an acorn. Both of those were the Dollar General last year. Okay, next I have these two golden candlesticks with a really pretty orange spiral candle in it. The candles I ordered from Amazon, and the candlesticks, I believe, was the Dollar General. Also from the Dollar General last year was this little clear pumpkin. So here's an overview of what I have done so far. Doesn't that look nice? Next is the stemware, and I have these really pretty tinted green wine glasses from the Dollar Tree, and then these really pretty goblets from Amazon. They're slightly green tinted as well. And then next with the dinner plate is this really pretty apple and pear plate. I love the colors. And they are hand painted by Gibson. Next is the salad plate with the beautiful pumpkins and gourds. And these were from Amazon, the Certified International Collection. And then the napkin and napkin holder, a cream color napkin from Amazon, and my hammered handled fork and spoon with a wicker napkin ring around it. That was from Amazon. And the matching knife. So that made for a very nice place setting and very fallish looking. And this is a setting for 4. Now each of the salad plates are a slightly different design of the pumpkins. But I think that looks really pretty. I think it's the first time I've used my apple and pear plate with my pumpkin dessert plates, and I think that looks really good. I do a lot of mix and matching of my stemware and my plates. And I think the table runner complements it all. What do you all think? Now do watch till the end because I will be lighting the candles. And I do want to give a big thank you to Anna for being the host of Tablescape Tuesday every Tuesday. Now be sure to check out the playlist and leave everyone a kind comment and a like. And we'll see you all next week. Bye-bye for now.